YouTube video. Happy Sunday to everybody. I hope that y'all are having a great day. Y'all already know all positive vibes over here, no negative energy. But anyways, y'all already know that I am starting this video off again for the week. And tomorrow is Monday, so I am taking my dog to get his bath tomorrow. Tuesday, I'm doing one of my stretch class. Wednesday, I'm doing my own workout. And Friday, I'm doing my own workout. So, y'all already know the vibes for the week. Just had to come on here and start this video off for the week. But, anyways, right now, I'm about to catch y'all later because I'm about to go watch TV and chill for the rest of the day. So, those are the vibes. I hope that y'all had a good day today. I hope that y'all went to church and got what y'all needed from the Lord because God is good. But anyways, I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow. Okay, y'all, so I went to take my dog to get his bath. Like I said, we was taking him to get his bath today, and we went to take him for a walk. We took him for a walk, then we took him to get his bath, and now we are sitting in the car outside of the pet hospital because we was trying to take him to get his nails clipped, but they was all booked. So I think we gonna take him to another nail trimmer. And look, Chase, say hey, Bubba. Chase, look, Tracy, say hey, Bubba. He ain't paying attention. He trying to look out the window and bark at somebody. But those are the vibes today. Went to take my dog to get his bath, and then we are going to take him to get his nails clipped. And y'all already know the vibes for tomorrow. I'm going to my stretch class tomorrow. I'm doing my own workout Wednesday, and then I'm doing my own workout on Friday, and then I will close out the video on Friday. So those are the vibes this week. But anyways, I'm gonna talk to y'all later because I am in the car right now, so I will talk to y'all later. I will pick back up the camera tomorrow or whenever I decide to, but I think I am going to do a new video today because I have something I want to speak on, and I feel like I need to speak on it because it's going to be said and it's going to be heard. Like I said, I always speak facts. But anyways, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Okay, y'all. So I am back home. I got up at 9 o'clock, and y'all already know I went to my stretch class, and y'all already know tomorrow I am doing some more. This week I am doing some more squats. I'm doing some more squats tomorrow, and then Friday I'm doing some more squats. And I heard they said that doing squats is good for you because when you do squats, it gives you balance and it helps you with your balance. So I'm gonna continue to do my squats because, like I told y'all, doing squats is my favorite exercise. So I am going to continue to do those squats, and I'm gonna get in shape. I'm getting in shape, okay? I've been getting in shape because I'm losing a couple of pounds, okay? I'm losing a couple of pounds, and I am getting in shape. And I'm gonna continue to do my fitness journey for y'all because I know y'all loving this fitness journey that I'm doing. But anyways, I'm about to talk to y'all later because I'm about to change my clothes, and then I'm about to chill for the rest of the day because I have to be back up at 5 in the morning again tomorrow. So right now I'm about to go chill for the rest of the day, and I will talk to y'all on tomorrow. Okay, y'all. So today I did some more squats, and I added some lunges in there. So I did some squats and then I did some lunges. So now I am back home from the gym. I got off at 9 o'clock, and after I got off, I went to go do my own exercise. Like I said, I did some squats and I did some lunges, and now I am about to probably chill for the rest of the day because I don't have to get up tomorrow. I am off tomorrow, and I will be back to work on Friday. So right now I'm about to change my clothes and I'm about to chill for the rest of the day, and I will pick back up the camera on tomorrow. I will talk to y'all on tomorrow because Friday, I mean, not tomorrow, but I will pick back up the camera on Friday, because that's when I will do some more of my gym content. So I'm gonna talk to y'all on Friday.
Rio.
I did what I needed to do for the week. Tuesday, I went to my stretch class. Wednesday, I did my own workout, and today I did my own workout. Wednesday, I did some more squats, and I just got finished doing some more squats and all. And I am tired, and I am going to close out this video for the week. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and because I'm about to chill, I'm about to go sit down until it's time for me to go. But I don't know, I might go find something else to do. I don't know. But anyways, this is the end of the video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe to my channel, and I will catch y'all in the next video.
There's news, I done did that before. I turn nothing to something. My comeback on 100. Let's talk it, more action. You just gon' see coming.